Is there really a flame that's been burning for centuries in New York? You won't believe the truth. Meet Eternal Flame Falls, a tiny waterfall in New York with an eternal fire at its base. This natural marvel has been burning for centuries, fueled by natural gas seeping from the ground. Scientists believe it's a mix of methane gas rising from underground pockets that fuels this small but consistent flame. It's like nature's own lighter, lighting the way for centuries. Have you ever seen a flame that never goes out? Comment below and don't forget to hit like if you love discovering nature's most bizarre wonders. Subscribe for more untold mysteries.